Hi there. This is the default WooCommerce login page. However, it is not protected. There is not any sort of bot or automated software protection. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can protect this page with the help of hCaptcha bot protection. So let's get started. Now, in order to add the CAPTCHA, all I have to do is go ahead to my WordPress dashboard. I'll hover on the SwiftCommerce and I'll open up the SwiftCommerce dashboard. Here, all I have to do is head over to spam, click on reCAPTCHA, and inside the reCAPTCHA, you can see here that the reCAPTCHA provider has already selected the hCaptcha. So there are multiple options: Google, Cloudflare, and hCaptcha. So I've already selected that. In order to activate it, all you have to do is add the site key and secret key. These two keys can be collected from the hCaptcha website for free. They do have a free plan. And in order to, now I want to enable the hCaptcha right on my WooCommerce login page. So I'll click on settings, and here there are multiple options. I can click on WooCommerce login, and after that I'll click on save changes. All I have to do is go ahead to my WooCommerce login page again. I'll refresh the page, and right there you can see that hCaptcha will be added. So now this login page is well protected from bots and bad actors. And that's how easy it is to add hCaptcha to your WooCommerce login page without any issues with the help of SwiftCommerce.